Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel on San Miguel de Allende Secrets. And today we're going to be talking about money, charity, and gender via the expats and the expat community. As always, if you need additional information, including links to any of the 11 best-selling books for sale on Amazon in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series, there are links in the box below. Why foreigners first came to town is vastly different than why we do now, as is the foreign community's impact on the economy, charities, and women. Earlier expats came to San Miguel de Allende because it was off the beaten path, artsy, and inexpensive. Earlier immigrants were inclined to adjust to life among Mexicans. By contrast, the new wave of expats, especially retirees, arrive now with a different mindset. Eager to enjoy an active, comfortable, and affordable retirement, they came to town precisely because it had a foreign community. Being less likely to learn Spanish, their interaction with Mexicans are both inhibited and often unsought, being content to move in separate circles than Mexicans. San Miguel de Allende's foreign community is referred to in the press as the most earnest and self-righteous in the Latin American retirement hotspots. This caricature of San Miguel de Allende's foreigners oversimplifies the diversity within the foreign population and the complicated nature of their charitable work. First off, you'll have to search far and wide to find any foreigner-run charity excited, or really even willing, to share their audited financials, indicating how much of every dollar goes to their cause. Mexicans are keenly aware of the truth-bearing adage, foreigners come here forming charities to line their own pockets. Mexicans understandably also object to their portrayal as passive recipients of foreign charity. If foreigner-run charities converted San Miguel de Allende's economy into one partially based on benevolence, we foreigners' presence also sped the town's transition to a service economy. In the late 80s and early 90s, as the town eschewed male-dominated industrialization in favor of tourism, the labor market increasingly gave preference to female workers. With the closure of the factory in 1991, the ability to enter the middle class plummeted, as female service employees at a home or business lack upward mobility. My advice? Avoid the foreigner-run charities when you arrive in town for at least a year. Too often, folks get involved and soon find themselves in positions of leadership that make them keenly aware of financial shenanigans. In frustration, they leave town a year later claiming, quote, Mexico is corrupt. And that could be. But they leave having discovered foreigner-run charities definitely are. You can't change the economy. Even if every foreigner in town got in sync to try to, we can't, as we aren't a player in today's tourism. That spot is reserved for wealthy Mexicans. Instead, simply treat service folks with the respect everyone deserves. Lastly, also respect the power of the feminine here in town. There are good reasons images of Jesus' mom are every few feet, as without her, the new Catholic faith would never have taken hold as strongly as it did. The new religion and focus on Mary is what makes Mexico's history and culture more feminine than you're going to find in other places.